Okay, since I'm starting a little garden now, it's time to make some compost. I haven't put this out in maybe 2 years, but here's my Lumi. I actually got it for free, y'all, but I only used it like twice, so we finna use it today.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
So we have some old like eggs and onion pieces and bell pepper slices and all that stuff that we usually throw away. We're gonna dump in here. So we can only fill up to this line right here. So we got almost there. I got an old cabbage. And some carrot pieces. That's about full. Throw that away. So y'all, this has 2 filters on it. This is one filter. I'm gonna show y'all. So they give you these little bitty, oh y'all can't see. They give you these little bitty charcoals to fill up in here, okay? So I filled that up. Put this lid back on here. If I can get it on there, right? Lock it up. Put it back in. Turn it around. There's another filter on the back. Pull this filter out. Open it up. Same thing. Same thing in there. So we're gonna use the big mode. We're using the grow mode, and this one gonna take about 18 to 20 hours, 16 to 20 hours for the one I'm using. I'm using grow mode because I'm using it for my garden. I'm gonna show y'all that in just a moment. And so you just wanna, the reason why we're using that is because it saves like all the microorganisms that's in the food and stuff. So that's why we're doing that. You can use a different mode that takes like 3 to 5 hours, I think it is on here. Yeah, 3 to 5 hours. That's like an express mode for your compost and stuff like that. So look, let me tell y'all what not to put in here. Don't put no bones, chicken bones, pork, beef, lamb, none of those bones, cooking oil, grease, liquids, fruits that got pits, so like avocados, what else they got on here? Peaches, apricots, mangoes, stuff like that. Got them big seeds in it and stuff. They say don't put no soap, shampoos, conditioner, bars, lime bags, chips, cookies, and pet food and stuff like that. Cigarettes, metal, plastic, glass, foil, diapers, wipes, hygiene products, produce netting, styrofoam, pet waste, and alcohol. Don't put none of that in here, okay? Only thing you can put in here is like fruits and vegetables, metal scraps, and like soft bones. Maybe like from like fish. You know, fish bones ain't that hard. Coffee liner, coffee grounds, tea bags, your meat scraps, leftover foods from your, you know, like if you want to throw away your leftover foods, you can put that in here instead of just throwing it away. What else? It say you could put pasta, bread, cereal, oats, other grains, dairy products, cheese, yogurt, plants, flowers, and yard trimmings. You can put that all in here, okay? We're gonna take our food scraps and we just gonna put it in here. We gotta line up the I'm gonna show y'all. And you have to line up these red lines right here for it to go in. This is the charcoal that they give you. It just comes in a box. And also these Lumi pads came. So I just dropped one of these pads in here. I dropped one of these pads in. just like 1 ounce of water. They really don't need that much. And you go pour it directly on the pad. Lock it, turn it on, and let it go for 20 hours. That's the one I want. So those are the cucumbers. Those are the tomatoes, banana peppers, the thyme, which I don't really think they doing much.
You don't see them how they came
The
up?
jalapenos, they came up a little bit.
Yeah, they was gonna see they
Oh,
gonna grow
that
up,
watermelon is crazy right there.
so, yeah.
That branch is coming out. That watermelon getting crazy. It's doing great. So this is what I'm making for the this is what I'm getting the compost for. Alright y'all, so we ran into a problem with our loamy, so we had to go ahead and change the fan out. If y'all want to see how I did that, go ahead and check out the other video on how to change the fan. We finna go ahead and start it up and see if it's working now, because it wasn't working. It was just starting and stopping on cool, and I'll show y'all a little clip of that. It comes on, and then you just basically start it, and it goes for a while, and then it just shuts off for that. So now we have it on, we're gonna plug it up, or we have it in there and we're gonna plug it up. Make sure it's working. Can y'all see it? So we want it on this one like we said last time. Now, I'm gonna give it 30 seconds. Uh-oh, y'all. It might be working this time. It hasn't stopped yet. I think we good on this one. I fixed it. I fixed it. I fixed it. Okay, it's been about 20 hours, I think. Let's finally check it now that we done fixed it and all of that. Let's finally check it. Y'all finna be mad. All that stuff I put in there, and this is all you get. If y'all could see, that's what we got. Some good old dirt. It's just a little too, y'all. So that really broke it down, that 20 hours. Because I usually get more than this when I do like 3 to 5 hours. But let's go put it in our garden. So we have to cover it up during the daytime because the sun burns the shit out of the plants. So some of them need to be covered, so we just cover them all and uncover them at a certain time. Y'all, the cucumbers is crazy. So y'all, this is the watermelon. Look how much it has grown since y'all last seen it. It's the watermelon doing all of that, making all that noise. It's the cucumber getting tall. It's crazy. The tomatoes ain't really doing much, and the jalapenos are really stagnant, and so is the thyme. I'm a little nervous about that, but they started to stand up, I guess. And the banana peppers over there. So hopefully what I put on here helps them. Y'all want to know something so crazy about these cucumbers? Is that the cucumbers freaking wraps themselves around the pole. Like, can y'all see that right there? Nobody did that. They did that themselves. Like, I think it's crazy that it's alive like that and wraps itself around stuff. Y'all, it's crazy. Anyway, let's put this dirt on it. So what I'm gonna do is put some near the roots, or at the roots. Ooh, it's a frog in there. Ooh, it's a frog is jumping out. He just jumped out. The frog jumped out. Y'all, it is super, super hot out here. It's ridiculous. That's why I have to cover these back up. So let me go and do that. I would water them, but my mother-in-law already watered them today, so I'm not going to. It'll go in there once she waters it tomorrow or whenever the next time she waters it. The sweat. I'm tagged. So the next time I show y'all these plants is probably gonna be on my vlog. So make sure y'all pay attention to those because these plants growing fast. I will see y'all on the next Lumi time or the next vlog time. By the way, y'all, I forgot to tell y'all this can't go in the dishwasher. Don't forget that.
Hit that subscribe button.